Good more evening, everyone. Welcome back. How you all doing? We got a interview. I'm going
Mm,
to do interview of Lady Boy. You're not trans, right? So it's okay to call you Lady Boy or gay.
Lady boy.
Lady Boy.
Mm,
Is it okay? Okay. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Can
Mm.
you please introduce yourself?
Hi, hello. I am Ella Flores, and I am 21 years old, living in Angeles City, Pampanga.
How tall are you, Ella?
I'm 5'6".
5'6". So why you didn't become a basketball player?
Actually, before I was, when my
You
dad
are
wants me to be a basketball player.
really. How
But
old are you that time?
maybe I'm 11 years old, I think.
So he trained you to play a basketball.
Yes.
And then,
And then she really don't know that I am lady boy or I am gay. That's
mhm.
why she don't have any choice.
So he accept you.
Yes.
Mm. How old are you when your dad find out that you are a l- lady boy?
My dad found me a lady boy when I was 7 years old, but
S-
she want me to
He
be
wants you to be a basketball
yes, he want
player.
me to be a basketball player, but
You like Barbie.
yes, I like volleyball player.
You are volleyball player. You got that white skin. You're cute.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, do you take any whitenings like that? Any skincare routine?
No, I don't.
So how many siblings do you have, Ella?
I have three brothers and two sisters.
You are include to what?
Yes, I'm
A
include
brother or a
a
sister?
sister, of course.
So it's two sister included you
Yes.
and three brothers. Oh, which one are you? Pangilan ka?
Pangatlo.
You're the third.
Yes.
Are you studying or you're
No,
working?
I'm working.
Where you where you working? What's your job?
I'm working a call center agent, but sometimes if it's my day off, I'm gonna go in Walking Street for extra
Mm,
work.
extra work. So you don't get rest. You're
Yes,
going. Oh, so once a week you're in Walking Street.
yes.
That's cool. How long you been working as a call center?
2 years.
2 years. What company?
A BPO company.
Yeah, a company.
iCare po.
iCore.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So how do you like being a call center?
I don't know. I just like to be a call center agent. That's why I work in call center when I was 19 years old.
19. So it's hard to work as a call center if you're not a
Yes,
high school graduate like that.
yes.
What's your they usually looking for high school graduate and it has lot of requirements, right?
Yes.
Glad you got a nice job. So what about the walking street? How do you like it?
Before, when I don't have a work when I was 17 years old,
So you started going to
yes,
walking
I
street.
start to go in Walking Street. And
Mm-hmm.
then the pandemic
Uh-huh.
start, I stopped and I found I find a work for me to be able bring to be able to buy anything I want.
So you're working in as a call center. Is it during pandemic?
Yes, during pandemic.
Work at home?
Yes.
I
Mm.
was told it's no work as a call center.
No,
That
before they have. Then after pandemic na okay na yung pandemic. So,
after pandemic you had a
mm-mm.
job. Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have.
So at age of 17 you started going to walking street, right?
Mm-mm.
How is it for you?
For me, it's really hard.
Hard for you to get a guess or what?
Yes, to go there, but since I don't have a choice. That's why I go there in Walking Street.
Do you get any Korean customers? Your
Yes,
beauty is for Korean though.
yes. I always get foreigner.
Foreign, White American, Australian.
Yes, white American.
Mm, that's good. How about a partner, a boyfriend, a foreign partner?
No.
You never had a
Yes.
foreigner partner. If you had a chance, will you go with a foreign boyfriend or Filipino guy?
Yes, foreigner guy.
Because
Because to be honest, not all foreigner guy it's a serious once you are a lady boy.
mm-hmm.
Sometimes they not serious because a lot of them it's playboy. That's
Yeah,
why it's hard to find a good man, a foreigner. But if I given a chance
have a
to have a
partner,
foreigner, of course,
you'll do everything for him
yes,
so he can love you.
so I
That's
can love him from the rest of my life.
so about family. How's your family now?
They good,
They good? You for supporting them?
yes.
Mm.
Sometimes if I have, I will. But if I don't have,
How much is your salary as a call center?
it's not allowed to.
Say,
Yes,
um, guess 21 or 18K.
it's a confidential kinemeru.
Mm. Okay, that's good. So are you? So why you choose to go there in Walking Street instead taking a rest on your day off?
Because in my I have my own apartment, so I live in alone. If
Oh.
I get bored, I go there in Walking Street. That's why if I'm getting bored, I go there. If after
Mm,
work I'm bored, I don't want to rest, I go there in Walking Street.
really? So what do
Yes.
you go? What do you do there? Party or look party if you after work or?
Sometimes we're going to party, but sometimes we're finding customer.
Mm, what about now? Is it easy for you to get a customers?
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not.
So who is your first boyfriend who lost your virginity? A Filipino or a foreign?
A pointer guy will lose my virginity.
That was when you were 17-year-old,
Yes.
right? What is nationality? American, black
Yes, it's
American.
American from Australia.
No, it's not part of America. It's
It's in
Australia.
Australia.
It's Australia. Oh, okay. So he paid you or what?
Yes, if any.
50K?
No, just a
5K?
simple money.
5K?
I think it's 25.
Oh, at least it's not for free, right?
Yeah, it's not for free.
Did you stay with him or like you stay like a week or days?
No, after that, finish.
So you just meet him in. Oh, that's good. So as a trans, are you happy? Oh, you're not trans, a lady boy. If you have a chance to uh change your gender or get your bombs done, are you willing to do it?
No.
No, you're happy what you are.
Yes.
That's good. So what about your own family? Like in the future, you need someone to take care of you, right?
Um, if I have money, so I give them para kapag tanda ko, may nag-aalaga sa akin.
What do you mean? Like you wanna have your own child or no?
Yeah, no.
What you going to do? You're going to adopt or surrogate?
Yes, adapt.
Adopt.
To take care for me if I'm going old.
Who? Your family or your
My family, of course.
your
My
nephew
nephew.
like that? Oh, okay. So you're not attracted to a woman.
Yes.
That's good. So you're a woman, right?
Mm-mm.
What is hard being a lady boy? What's hard for you? Because you know, Filipino are judgmental, not just
Yeah. A lot of people discriminate you regardless of your gender identity.
yeah. So
Um, a lot of people will always discriminate you because you're lady boy, because you're gay. You're not part in this world because you are a gay. You are a lady boy. But I always say na, I don't care to them because they not with me.
yeah, you don't care.
Yeah, you don't care about me. I can do it.
It's nothing wrong being a lady boy as long you know how to handle it.
Yes, as long as I cannot fit to those people who discriminate me, I will walk straight.
Yeah, as long you're not even stepping their foot trying to, you know, some of the other cause Filipino or other people,
Mm-mm.
even if you're really lady boy, if you're just walking past by them, they're gonna say something.
Yes.
Right? They will discriminate by their own people, but not Filipino are bad as you know in America. They're not just like it's not racist as somewhere in around Philippines. Are you happy being who you are?
Yes, I'm happy for being what I am.
Did you had experience with the Filipino boyfriend? Have you?
Yes.
Why did you guys break up?
It's because
Someone cheated?
yes,
Who
someone
cheated
cheated.
you?
She don't want me to go in walking street. She want me to work, but I don't have a choice. I need to work hard for myself,
Mm.
for my family also.
Yes, because you're the breadwinner, you said.
Yeah, sometimes I am, but sometimes my sister.
Help
Yeah, help
them.
each other.
That's good. So, so you're saying that are you materialistic, lady
No,
boy,
I'm
like
not
that?
materialistic.
No, you're not. So, what's make you happy beside your family?
My friends,
Okay, besides if ever you're in a relationship, what makes you happy?
if someone came into my life, what
Uh-huh.
makes me happy? It's that she is loyal. He's a
Loyal.
very respectful for being what I am.
Mm,
That makes me happy to accept me for being what I am
that's
and
good.
never judge me for being what I am or for being what I have.
Yeah. You, lady boy or any part of LGBT, or we all deserve to be treated right, and
Yes.
love. Diba? Bongga. If you find someone, I hope you're going to find what you're looking for. Um,
Yes.
how do you what kind of man do you like?
A man who
What attract you the most?
attract me the most, not so slim,
Hmm,
and also handsome and a good heart.
good.
That makes me
Attract.
attract.
Mm. Even is Filipino.
Yes.
Would you give a prey blow to your Filipino if he's handsome?
Again?
Would you give a prey blow job if it's handsome?
No, never.
Ah.
You pay.
Do the Filipino pay for lady boy?
Yes.
So there's someone paid you before
Yeah.
200, 500.
Yeah, 500,
That's
1,000
their
even.
highest.
Yes, there are 3,000 a Filipino guy.
Really? What's
But
his?
not all the time.
Not all the time.
Sometimes they're asking for free.
Would you give him for free if you like the
No.
man? If you like the man.
Sometimes, yes. If I like the man. But if I don't like, no, I'm standing here in walking street and go find customer.
So you're saying there's a Filipino guys in Walking Street who's trying to get trans.
Yes.
Really? Oh, I thought it's just for foreigners. So okay. So hindi naman pala ano no. What is your dream for yourself?
My dream for myself, it's to give house for my family, to give them
Mm.
own house. Because if I'm dead, of course, they will always remember me.
You're still young. Maybe one day
Yeah.
you can give them a
That's it's
house
my biggest dream,
dream.
the house for my family.
That's
Because if
good.
the money is lost, but the house is still
There,
there.
they going to stay. They don't have
Yes,
to pay rent.
they will remember you.
Yeah, and your name will remain in that.
Yes,
Okay,
they will
that's.
never forget your name.
How old are you when you got your first blow? Huh?
17.
17, same guy, huh?
Yeah, same.
Okay, have you tried to, what is your hobby?
My hobby, to be honest, is just working.
Working.
Yes.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook,
That's good.
how to clean.
This is true, right? Most of the lady boy, they really is clean in the house. They are organized.
Yes.
I have lot of or gay friends. Every time I saw them, like, are you still busy? And she said, you know me, I don't like messy.
Yes.
Mm, that's good. Who teach you how to put makeup? Your makeup look fine,
I'm just
natural.
watching on,
YouTube.
yeah, how to put makeup.
Who is your local artist? Favorite
My
local
local
artist?
artist is Marian Rivera.
Foreign artist.
Foreigner artist Jessie J.
You know how to sing like that?
Um, I know the song, but
You couldn't.
my voice
It's
not good to sing.
terrible.
Yeah.
But we Filipino, if it's karaoke, we're going to sing, right? Even our voice is terrible.
Yeah.
All right. Hit the like button, guys. Join patreon.com/splash Tom Yam Lechon. Keep tuning in. There's more pretty trends are coming for you all. You wanna do? Let's do fast talk.
Okay.
Sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Last time you slept with a man?
Last 1 week ago.
Foreign?
No, Filipino.
Free or he had to pay?
Jowa.
Ah, you're just flirting with
Yeah,
him.
flirting.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Spit or swallow?
Swallow.
Favorite possession?
69.
What's your preferred size of banana?
10 inches or 7 inches.
Seven. Damn, the preferred size that you like.
I like 10 inches.
A
I want bigger one.
Why did you already encounter one?
Before I was, but
What is it? America?
Yeah, it's American.
Black, white.
White.
He got big one.
Yes. Super.
You like it, huh?
Yes, I like it so much. I like harder.
Bongga, hit the like button, guys, and join patreon.com/splash Tom Yum Lechon. Is it okay if I let you stand up and show them how sexy you are?
Yes.
Alright. Turn around, baby. Chica, fuck off. Pretty and sexy, got that white skin. American or Korean or Japanese, Chinese? Choose one.
American.
She really got that big one. Okay, guys, we gotta go. See ya on my next show. Babush. Hang on. Just when